to give everybody an update on the motorcycle carrier that I built. This is it. I hauled that up here from home to the Cravens Enduro trails. I'm at Fullerton Lake campground right now, trying out my tarp tent, trying to do some ultralight packing for my trip to Moab coming up. Something that packs a little smaller than a regular tent. So we'll see how that works out. It's okay here, but gotta admit a tent's better. But anyway, the hitch, you can see that some of the things I got here. We got 4 bolts that hold it on to the carrier itself. The ramp, of course, is separate, and it mounts it's camera work here, right there, like that. We got wing nut. Put it on with Harbor Freight towing lights to go with my motorcycle hitch carrier. $30 or something for the lights with your 20% coupon. So anyways, good and sturdy. Bike traveled on it well, solid, doesn't shake. No play because I have a 2.5 inch hitch clamp on there. Takes all the slop out. Riding the old DRZ. Did about 70 miles on the trails today. Wore myself out. So back here at the camp, got the mountain bike, using it to ride around the campground on. Got the truck loaded up with junk. So anyway, got the DRZ, good old faithful DRZ, the 300-pound trail bike. It is what you make it, right? Does the job, but you know you're riding a DRZ. Anyway, this is a really beautiful campground here, Fullerton Lake. They only got 8 spots, so it's fills up rather quick. Where the Fullerton sawmill was, the largest sawmill west of the Mississippi River for about 20 years or so back in our last century. Anyway, I ran into Tankerman and Mr. Louisiana Long over at the Cravens Enduro campground. That was quite a nice surprise. I'd been checking them guys out on YouTube, and I think they've been kind of looking at my stuff. Maybe we laugh at each other a little bit in our humanness, you know. Everybody's just a person, so it was nice to finally meet them. And they looked like they were really well set up there. Got their nice trailer and generator. Been out riding the trails themselves today, so. Tankerman said, show everybody you finished your rack. So there it is, folks. One off. Guess I need to put my name on it. KGB Designs. But anyway, y'all have a blessed day, and take care. God bless. Bye.